Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use video tag in HTML to create simple video player. I'll begin by opening up my HTML editor, and here I'm going to type video, and I'm going to give the weight to be 600 and the height is going to be 300. So here I'm going to type source, and here I'm going to place my video file. And the type of video that I'm going to play will be video slash MP4. Now it's done. I'm going to refresh my browser now and see what I've done. Now if I click the play button here, it's going to play my video.
Otimbi na timbelio wasafi ina sobano kakati rata mano kakati dizo odele minona kwe osali nolo biuma no kakati sobano kakati OLK initiative plus tozakolia aka. Okay. Oya, sukuma, we, simba na washa moto. Sukuma, we, ambia walale watoto. Asa cheza shwini. Leta tena juu. Chuja kwa kiuno. Tunanyatia.
So this is how to create simple video player in HTML. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time for the next video. Bye.